Hello everyone, welcome to Agam. In this video, I'll tell you how can a teacher schedule a lecture. Go to our website www.agamedu.com. If you are a new teacher, go down on the website. You can see an option to join as a teacher. Click on that. You will just have to fill these basic information and create your account on the platform. Once you do that, log in on the platform as a teacher. Once you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On this dashboard, you can see three options: today's lecture, create group, and history. Go to create group option, create a student group. Let's say it's demo for now. Click on submit. Now you can see that a group has been created with the name demo. The date is 7th August 2020. The time is given, and you can see that the number of students are 0. So now you can either copy the group code, or you can view the students, you can add the student, you can conduct a test, you can add some notes, or you can deactivate this group. If you want to add student, you can either click on add student button and type in the email IDs of the students who have already registered on the platform as a student. Students can log in on the platform using Gmail or Facebook. You can type in the email ID using which they logged in, and you can add them into the group. If you want to make your work easier, you can simply copy the group code. Once you copy the group code, you have to send it to the students on any particular messaging platform. Once you send it, they can log in on the platform using Gmail, Facebook, or mobile phone. Once they log in, they will see an option to join a group where they will have to put this particular code. Once they put it, they will be able to get added into the group. Once you create a group with the students, go to today's lecture, click on schedule a lecture button, give the name of the class, say the class duration. This can be updated in the live class as well. Enter the number of students, enter the class date, and add the class time. Now, as soon as you click on submit button, you get an invitation card like this, where you have an option to edit class time, to add student, or to add the group. So either you can click on add student and type in their email IDs, which will probably take a lot of time, or you can simply click on add group and add all the groups which you have already created. So let's say I'm adding this group right now. And now you can see number of students are 1 out of 1. And now you have an option to join the particular class as well. So you as a teacher can join the class before a student and do some necessary changes on the whiteboard, or already share the content on the whiteboard as well. So this is going to be a pre-session for you before the student comes on the platform to join your virtual classroom. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. To use our services, please reach out to us on our email ID, or you can call us. You will find all those details in the description. Thank you.